Our 18-month product roadmap is increasingly focused on those safety focused solutions. We have a pretty incredible roadmap of launches coming down the pipeline here that I just think are going to continue to delight the user and give us more legs within this space to continue growing with customers like Parts for Trucks.
Yeah, and you mentioned the tripping hazards that exist with legacy pneumatic solutions. You talk about the ergonomic design of like lightweight M12 tools. That's something again that you might not think a lot about unless you have to do a job thousands of times. And then all of a sudden, an ergonomic tool can actually be something that prevents an injury, one of those repetitive injuries that can occur.
Oh, for sure. And I think we're going to continue to focus on that. And when we think safety, we always think of decreasing the worst case scenario. But I think a lot of what we look at with safety at Milwaukee Tool is making that worst case scenario possible. So that auto stop technology in our drills is really a key focus on that. That's, our number one example. But for the access piece, we have our M12 Fuel Insider box ratchet, which is delivering, unrivaled access and over 3/4 of an inch shorter head profile than the M12 ratchets that we came out with originally. So, we call it the hierarchy of controls, Jamie. And, the last step, of that, unsafe situation is when that PPE is mandatory, when that auto stop functionality comes in. We're laser focused on ensuring that those unsafe scenarios are minimalized the best we possibly can, and building that functionality into the tools themselves.